The easiest way to backup your WordPress site on cPanel. In case of emergency, like a security breach, malware issues, a human error, you'll need the backup with all your data to get your website up and running again. Most hosting companies offer automated website backups. However, if the hosting provider goes down, you won't have immediate access to your website. The solution is to perform your own backups. You can either manually backup your WordPress site using cPanel or use a plugin. Either way, if anything goes wrong, you can restore the website and your business can avoid lost revenue due to unnecessary downtime. The easiest way to backup your WordPress site is by using the cPanel from your hosting account. So let's see how you can backup your WordPress site on cPanel. Let's open the browser. On the browser, enter into cPanel account. You can do that by going to your domain name /cPanel. Log into your cPanel. To backup your site, go to the Backup section. Click on Download the full account backup. Select the backup destination. I suggest leaving the home directory. After that, just write the email you want to receive a notification when the backup is ready. Just click on Generate Backup. Now your backup will be generated. On this backup, you will have all the data, files, emails, database, and all logs. Let's see how the email looks when the backup is finished. The email will say that the full backup has been completed. Let's see how we can get to the backup data. So, if you are on the cPanel again, click again on Backups. Click again on Download the full account backup. You will see this new section, Backup Availables for Download. Click this file and you will download the full backup. This list can have multiple backups. This is the easiest way to make a full backup for your WordPress site. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.